In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get some quick column statistics. So I have this spreadsheet of football players. It's already filtered out, so it's only showing the 2022 New Orleans Saints players. So you can tell I have filters in place because these funnels right up here and also this icon right here. So if I need to get some statistics here, let's say maybe I'll need some statistics on their weights. So maybe I want to find out what their average weight is. So if I click on that column header up here, now notice I'm not going to click on this little arrow next to the G. I'm going to click right here and it's going to highlight that whole column. And notice down here, it's going to put some kind of data. Now, right now it's showing the count of numbers. Now that means that there are 88 numbers in my selection. Okay, this count of 89 means there are 89 entries here, but that's including the text up here in row 1. But notice the average is 244.9. So I can quickly get the average weight of the players on the 2022 New Orleans Saints by simply clicking the column header and looking at the average here. Those are quick column statistics. Now, if you wanted to be real nerdy and look at some other column statistics with that column selected, you can come up under the menu here and you'll see under data, you'll see some options including column stacks. If you select that, you'll notice on the right, it's going to give you all these different possible statistics that you might need, including the sum, the average, and the median, the minimum, and the maximum, and those kinds of things. So those are two ways to get column stacks.